AI is changing supply chain management faster than anyone expected. From real-time demand forecasting to automated warehouses, artificial intelligence is reshaping how products move from manufacturers to customers. According to Markets and Markets reports, the global AI and supply chain market is projected to hit $50.01 billion by 2031. That's huge growth, but what's driving this momentum, and how can businesses actually benefit from it? Let's break down the benefits, the top use cases, and of course, the cost of adopting AI in supply chain management. Benefits of AI in supply chain. First, better demand forecasting. AI models analyze past sales, market trends, and even external factors. This means businesses can stock smarter and reduce wastage. Second, improved efficiency and speed. AI automation streamlines repetitive tasks, allowing teams to focus on higher value work. Third, cost reduction. With optimized inventory and predictive maintenance, companies save money across operations. Fourth, real-time visibility. AI provides end-to-end visibility across the supply chain, helping companies quickly identify delays, disruptions, or bottlenecks. Fifth, risk management. By analyzing risks across suppliers and demand, AI helps businesses prepare for uncertainties and avoid unexpected losses. But knowing the benefits is one thing, seeing them in action is another. So let's move into real-world use cases. Here are some of the most popular use cases of AI in supply chain. 1. Predictive analytics for inventory planning. Companies like Amazon rely on AI forecasting to know exactly what to stock, when and where. This minimizes overstocking and prevents stockouts. 2. Smart warehousing and robotics. Robotic systems powered by AI handle sorting, picking, and packaging with incredible accuracy. Walmart and DHL already use such systems to speed up operations. 3. AI-powered logistics optimization. From route planning to last-mile delivery, AI systems analyze shipping costs to deliver goods faster and more efficiently. 4. Supplier risk assessment. AI evaluates supplier performance, quality, and reliability. This helps companies avoid disruptions caused by weak links in the supply chain. 5. Chatbots for customer service. AI-driven chatbots provide real-time shipment updates to improve the overall customer experience. So the use cases clearly tie back to the benefits we discussed earlier. But how do you actually begin implementing this? Let's walk through it. How to get started with AI in supply chain. Step 1. Identify AI opportunities. Look for areas where AI can create the most value, like forecasting, logistics, or customer service. Step 2. Gather reliable data. Accurate data is the backbone of any AI system. Collect and clean datasets from sales, suppliers, logistics, and customer interactions. Step 3. Choose the right AI solutions. Pick AI tools that fit your specific business goals, like forecasting, warehouse automation, or logistics optimization. Step 4. Work with an AI development partner. Collating with an experienced AI development company makes integration easier and more effective. Step 5. Start small, then scale. Run a pilot project, measure results, and expand AI use step by step across the supply chain. Step 6. Train employees. Equip your team with the knowledge to use AI systems effectively so adoption is smooth. Step 7. Keep monitoring performance. AI is not set and forget. Track results and make improvements as your supply chain grows. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate AI with your supply chain management software. Now, let's talk about the cost of building AI software for supply chain management, which is something every business wants to know. Here's a rough estimate. Well, AI-powered demand forecasting tools can range from $10,000 to $25,000. Warehouse automation and robotics may cost $50,000 or more per system, depending on the scale. AI-driven logistics optimization platforms can cost between $20,000 and $40,000. AI chatbots for supply chain communication generally fall in the range of $5,000 to $15,000. Remember, the cost of AI implementation varies depending on the type, complexity, and features of the system. Beyond the initial development cost, companies need to plan for maintenance and updates, which usually cost about 10 to 20% of the upfront investment. At Apptunix, we build AI solutions that blend seamlessly with your existing ERP and supply chain management systems. Our specialists help you transform your supply chain into a smarter, more efficient network. So, if you're ready to step into AI-powered supply chain management, partner with Apptunix for expert guidance. We boast 12+ years of experience in delivering robust AI solutions. Book your free AI consultation today. In case you have any doubts, feel free to reach us by clicking the link given below in the description.